Hi everyone, I'm Ali. I'm part of Utami Sumarna Ali and Partner. I will tell you why foreign investors should invest in Indonesia. Indonesia has abundant natural resource is an important factor, starting from petroleum, mining products, and natural gas.
Development in the business environment throughout 2019 put pressure on the performance of several Astra Group business lines. In the space of this challenge, the group continued to build excellent through the capabilities of professional human capital with integrity, organizational ability to make things happen, and maintaining the reputation as a partner of choice. At the same time, challenge for future growth was responded by the group through planned and sustainable development of digital competency. It is Astra Group hope that the various achievements and strategic steps recorded this year and the incoming year can be inspiration to individuals and companies in Indonesia, as well as bringing the group close to the inspiration to become pride of the nation.
Why should invest in PT Astra International? PT Astra International is Southeast Asia's largest independent automotive group. Astra have been in various awards in 2019, such as Best Companies to Work in Asia. For more than 60 years, Astra Group's business progress has grown into 7 business lines and is one of the companies with the largest market capitalization in Indonesia. In the future ahead, the group aims to be an asset for the nation through economic activities that generate national income. The success of Astra's performance was shown in the revenue in 2019 amount to 237 trillion rupiah with the profit amount 21 trillion rupiah. Another improvement of PT Astra was dividend increment per share amount to 157 million rupiah in 2019 and earning per share amount to 536 rupiah. This improvement should be profitable for the shareholder. Investment in PT Astra was more promising with the increase of market share in second quarter into 2020 around 38.47%. This is in line with the increase in net profit margin more than 12%. This make investment in Astra International was increased continuously that reaches 35 trillion rupiah in September 2020.
As for the role of global Indonesia, where is Indonesia is one of the country that is active in building bilateral and international relation. And Indonesia is the only country from Southeast Asia that is active in the association G20 countries. Omnibus Law for Investment. On November 2, 2020, Indonesia passed the Omnibus Law. And there are several things that will affect investment in Indonesia, such as simplification of land licensing, investment requirement, UMKM, employment, ease of doing business, government administration, ease of government projects, requirement and innovation support, control of land, imposition of sanction, and special economic zones. And according to JP Morgan, that Omnibus Law will raise investment in Indonesia.
The growth prospect of the automotive sector remains promising, with key drivers of the growth potential of the Indonesian economy with its large population, particularly continued growth of the middle class. Infrastructure development in the country also stimulate emerging economic centers in many regions, thereby increasing connectivity and mobility of people and goods and giving rise to greater demands for various transportation alternatives. In addition, Indonesia maintains a relatively low penetration rate for four wheels in comparison to its neighboring countries, which the ASEAN region. Further improve in the line of the government's electrification agenda, serving the automotive industry in the coming year. As one of the leading automotive player in the country, Astra Group fully support the government's electrification program and set target for launching electric product lines in the coming year. The Astra Group's automotive business segment for both four-wheelers and two-wheelers is consistently introducing dynamic and attractive new models to meet the needs of the national customer.
In early this year, sales in industrial automotive was decreased due to impact of COVID-19 because some factories and dealers were forced to close the operational. But diversification of product was the advantage of Astra that makes the sales will slowly increase up to third quarter in 2020. The main product of these companies was automotive industry, was under control by PT Toyota Astra Motor. The increased market share in 2019 around to 32%. The increment in market share was also in PT Isuzu Astra Motor Indonesia, around to 20.9%. PT Astra Auto Part was contribute on their performance increment in net income, around to 21% or 740 million rupiah. The net income contribution from Astra Group's automotive financing increased by 17% or amount to 4.1 trillion rupiah in 2019. According to their increasing performance over the 5 years, investment in this company can be promising because if you look at it, Astra continues to carry out various innovations and development in each of its business units.
For the property segment, 49 awards categories present in 2019. Astra Property managed to win 12 awards and 2 high commendations, including Astra Land Indonesia named as the best emerging developer. It is very high achievement. As the newest business pillar in Astra Group, Astra Property successfully reached outstanding achievement in 2019. Facing unfavorable industry conditions, the property business line, together with the nation and the international strategic partner, continue to build a strength of its comprehensive and diversified portfolio. In fact, property projects which already operate and launched received recognition through the Indonesia Property Awards in 2019. The Astra Agrolestari Tbk (EEL) is a subsidiary of Astra Group in charge of managing the agribusiness segment. Astra Group holds 79.7% EEL shares, which are listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange with the market capitalization of 28.1 trillion IDR at the end of 2019. Due to the lower crude palm oil or CPO prices throughout 2019, agribusiness operation generated lower net income contribution by 85% to 198 billion. But it is a still high number, right? For the segmented of construction, today the Trans Java Toll Road is in full operation, connecting Merak to Probolinggo, followed by accelerated network development of the Trans Sumatra, Trans Kalimantan, and other connectivity to major islands. The election of government in the term of 2019 to 2024 proceeded relatively safe, hence building positive sentiments of the future prospect of our nation for the national infrastructure development. The new cabinet has identified continued infrastructure development as one of its guide vision. Even though it is a short-term economic growth is still challenging, the prospect of the infrastructure development in the long term are still positive because infrastructure is a requirement for sustainable economic growth.
Also, construction industry was increased in net income contribution amount to 6.7 trillion or increased 1% from prior years. That's because the number of acquisition of new project increment. Astra Group was support to use of digital technology in their innovations. They used to the driver for business operations and focus on creating optimum benefit for customer. Astra proved the performance was effective and efficient, even in operational and management that shown in the profit increment in 2019. Astra also improved their corporate responsibility by establishing 9 foundations in Indonesia that support the government in education, social, and environments also can be as our consideration to invest in PT Astra International. Their corporate responsibility was covered in 4 pillars, which is Astra untuk Indonesia Sehat, Astra untuk Indonesia Cerdas, Astra untuk Indonesia Hijau, and Astra untuk Indonesia Kreatif. For share information, the buy level was between 4,500 rupiah to 5,200 rupiah with an upside potential of around 20% from the current price. The target price was in 6,000 rupiah for the time frame until June 2021, an upside of around 45% with a target price of 7,000 rupiah for the time frame until December 2021. So, for investment portfolio in 1 year, PT Astra was attractive to be used as investment stock. So, if you guys are interested to invest in PT Astra International, you can go visit to www.idx.co.id and check the Astra market share, and then or you can visit in PT Astra International website in www.astra.co.id for further or detailed information about Astra. And if you need for any further details or suggestion to invest in Astra International or other public companies in Indonesia, we as consultant, Utami, Sumarna, Ali, and partner can give you the best recommendation or suggestion that you really need. You can contact us in the contact person below.